Have you seen our Assembly Builder tool? Click Assembly Builder at the top, make sure you're logged in, and this makes it very easy to build custom assemblies. Today we're going to build a metal hose assembly. So click the metal hose assembly button, and you'll be taken right to it. You're going to choose through your options. Today we're going to do a single braid metal hose, and then you're going to choose your options. You're going to choose inches with the little number button right there. That's how long your hose is going to be in inches. And we're going to choose 3/4 inch here. We're going to go down and choose our end fittings. You get those options and it'll come up with the images as well. As it loads, you'll see that image loads. You'll see what you're going to connect to the fitting. And then you cut the other end. And now you have a total cost per assembly. You can add that directly to your cart. Just click Add to Cart button. And you'll see in the bottom left-hand corner that we have a little cart set up for you. So you can just click that cart and your assembly is right in there and you can go ahead and check out. Thanks for being here.